What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, reaction na naman tayo. So i-react ko yung kay Cha Mamili ulit. So ito yung mga videos ng mga masyadong disturbing. So i-react ko. So i-react ko sa kanya yung Toy Tumor. So about sa Toy Story na naman. Parang katulad yung kay Meet Canyon na last time na nireact ko. Yung Toy Story niya. So ito, Toy Story na naman tayo. So hindi na mapatagalin ito. Let's go to the video. Let's go. So ito na guys. Naka-ready ng video. Mag-headset lang ako. Let's play.
You can tell what he's in his face.
What is this, Buzzy?
He's bringing to them with his soap and bubbles so we can make some bath babies. Oh no, Buzzy, what are you doing?
And we come downstairs, it's almost time to the college.
To college. What the heck? College na si Andy. Ba't ka na itsura?
Mama, did you take my toys, Mama? Mama, did you take my toys?
Ba't may ano daw yung balloon boy? Book of Secrets.
Don't you touch my son, you demon!
What
Hey, you! Did you know that by pressing this little button, you are helping this video to get more views and motivate me? So please, push it. Mwah.
the fuck? Nakaka-disturb naman yun. Ba't ganun yung ano ng video? So, yun yung reaction ko dun sa video na yun. So, Toy Tumor. So, like and subscribe na lang guys kasi speechless ako dito sa video na to. Hindi ko rin naman alam ko ano yung masasabi ko, pero yun yung reaction ko. Napaka-disturbing. So, yun lang. Bye guys and see you on my next reaction. Like and subscribe na lang ulit.